Hey guys, Mike's Motorsports here, and I'm going to show you guys 3 upgrades that every Gen 1 Ford F-150 EcoBoost absolutely needs. Number 1, TurboSmart IWG-75 wastegate actuators. These are a much better upgrade over stock, gives you a more controlled boost ramp, controls the wastegate actuator a lot better than the stock diaphragm wastegate actuators. Especially if you guys are doing a turbo upgrade, you're going to want to upgrade to these. You have the ability to change the internal spring. They come with 5 psi springs. You can go all the way up to 30. Upgrade number 2, full race AN coolant fittings with the lines. The stock EcoBoost comes with fittings that look just like this right here. They are notorious for leaks. As you can see on my old turbo, somebody tried to stop the leak with silicone. The full race coolant line kit comes with AN style lines and new fittings that go into the turbo as well as your block and prevents leaks, as well as they look awesome. Number 3, AMS turbo adapters. The stock turbo adapters are very restrictive. The AMS style opens up that opening on the back housing of the turbo, which increases airflow, and if you have downpipes, you're looking at some serious horsepower increase. If you guys are interested in any of the products I just showed you, make sure you click my link in the description. That's my link tree. You'll be able to shop all these products and more. Have a great day.